everybody, I'm back for another video today, and it kind of has something to do with this little beautiful brown thing that I guess I opened this past week. So you can see it came from Amazon. I just opened the bag, but you can see it's a much larger box with the same company, and I'm gonna see if I can unbox this. I'm at the university today, so I'm using my Don't Cut for Nothing university grade scissors. I think that's... oh wait, there's more over here too. I really liked this brown, like Gillio inspired passport that I decided I wanted to see what they look like in the standard size. So, there's the... and since I'm at the office today, we don't have his... we have no, actually, kitty or puppy distractions. So, let's open the box. And you can see it's just like the other, a box. Inside of a box, it looks like. The other one was very easy to open. There we go. Now this reminds me of the Midori, because it's the same similar style. So you'll see it came with one of the Midori style clip-on pen loops, which I think is wonderful. It came with a closure elastic or elastic you can use for the, like a jump band, and some more elastic for the other elastics, a sil pack. It came with a zipper pouch, a carded zipper pouch, which is wonderful. It came with another craft folder, and these are actually really nice craft folders if you look. It's like the Midori style, and then if you want to, you can punch these out and have like little card slots. And they even have the top and the bottom punched so the elastic won't pull on it. So let's take a look again. 2 elastics, a craft folder, a pen loop, and a zipper pouch. And again, the fake one is wrapped in plastic and in one of the bags. But this is... the real Gillios aren't. And in the other video this week, I linked Planner Mumsy's video because I was just heartbroken and horrified. So you can see it's the same brown, and they both have grommets. The only thing that is different is the Gillio is, like, they've got a secretarial pocket, and so it's slightly off center. But with this one, it makes more sense to have it in the center. But you'll see it has the same pocket configuration. It has a whole pocket here with 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. And again, it came with a grid notebook. It came with a lined notebook. And it came with a blank notebook. So this one came with 3 notebooks like the other one, a pen loop, the elastics, a folder, and a plastic zipper pouch. Everything you need to get started, plus the leather notebook for $35. I mean, the quality is so nice, and the price is just unbeatable. So the reason I got it is, number one, I really like the passport size one, and it looks like a Giglio. I mean, it looks like a Giglio. It feels, I've seen real Giglios. It feels like a Giglio. It's pebbly. It's soft. It's real leather. It smells like, you know, real leather. It's got a nice big full secretarial pocket. But the reason I got it is I've been using this single elastic Foxy, which has 2 secretarial pockets. Oh. Okay, I've got a little card in there. And what I was wanting to do is I wanted to see if I could fit all of that stuff in here, which I think I'll be able to. I have quite a few items in here. So I have a grid notebook. Oops. I got a folder, a paper and cats insert, another paper and cats insert, a zipper pouch, and a paper and cats insert. So, since I'm at the university, I have one of my old tripods here. So let's see. Let's put this on the first elastic. What I might do, because this is the way I tend to like them, what I can do is then wrap these 2 around that. Let's see if this elastic works as a jump band. It looks like it will. It looks like it's single. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be a jump band. The center of this one. Oh my goodness, look at that. It fits so nicely in there. And something I could do if I wanted to, I could put those 2 around this elastic, one of the smaller ones in the center. Yeah, I think I like that better. And then we can put this should fit. It fits in the passport one. Yep. Oh my goodness, me likey so much. So, let me get this stuff out of the way so we can take a quick little gander in here to see what we have. So it doesn't have any marking on it because it came from that Moterm, what is it? AliExpress, but it was on Amazon. So I've got a pocket here and some card slots. On one elastic, I have my Furuf Traveler's Factory zipper pouch, which I've had, goodness gracious, a long time. I got some cute stickers in here for Halloween, and actually I want to use them for Christmas too. I mean, Nightmare Before Christmas, that's 2 holidays, right? My vellum, some washi tape, Grumpy Bear stencil, some page flags. This is a Paper and Cats undated monthly calendar, which I have started in I started it in August, so here we are in September. The back end of the zipper pouch, which has Post-it notes and some washi tape. Nothing very exciting. Here is my September through December, which is a week on one page and a grid page. Make sure that you're in the screen. I'm not used to using this. And so this is what I've been using for the year and what I plan to use next year. I have an undated version, which has nothing here and just has the days of the week. And I'm going to decide if I want to use stickers or stamps or just use a pen. So I've got that. Then here is a Taroko Shop Tomoe River paper, and it's just a grid insert with, you know, white Tomoe River paper. Then I have a Midori folder with a Leuchtturm pen loop. A very, very, very old photo of Seamus. He has a vet visit later this month. And then what I have is, I have another one of the Paper and Cats weekly inserts, where it's a week on one page with the grid. It's dated. And this is the one that I use to keep track of my students and their attendance and what stuff we're working on and my schedule. And the schedule's changed a little bit to better accommodate everyone's schedule. So there's that, and that goes through the end of December. So I've got the whole entire semester in one notebook. And then my Midori writing board. So there you go. Just a quick little look at this fake Gilio, I guess you could say. I'm really, really pleasantly surprised with the quality of them, and like even the finishing details. Like, look how nice the finishing is on the edges. It's just beautiful on the standard and on the passport. So I'm going to be giving these ones a try for the next month or so. And I mean, they feel so luxurious. They feel so very elegant. They feel so refined, which is what I imagine a real Gilio feels like, but this is at a drastically reduced cost. This one was $23 and this one was $32. So with tax, I think it was like $25 and $35 roughly. So there you go. I will link them below, the link on Amazon for these. They also come in like a croco, like a faux croc. Well, it's a calf leather that's been embossed with a crocodile look to it. So, I mean, look at that. You get so much for your money. The folder, the zipper pouch, the 3 inserts, the pen loop, the extra elastic, everything you need to get going in a notebook. Okay, I will link them down below, and if you have any questions, leave them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.